Hi, I'm Ramgopal from ArteRamgopal.com. There are so many factors that influence the success of your YouTube videos. Factors like the quality of your content, the way you present the content, the video clarity, audio clarity. There are so many factors that influence the success of your YouTube videos. But there is one factor that pretty much seals the deal and determines whether your YouTube videos will succeed or not. As a YouTube video creator, if you just work on this one factor, you maximize the chance of success of your YouTube channel. Want to know what that one factor is? I'll tell you. But before that, if you want to learn how to market your digital products and courses using videos, please consider subscribing to this channel. Alright. To make it easy for myself to explain that one big factor that pretty much seals the deal for your YouTube videos, I'm going to use an analogy. Let us say you own a shop that sells mobile phones on a busy street. And you have a small display window where you can display your mobile phones so that visitors can look at the mobile phones on display and buy the ones they like. Now, as a shop owner, if you want to maximize the profits for your shop, how would you utilize the space that is available on the window display? First, you would pick up certain mobile phones that you think might appeal to the visitors and you would arrange them on the window panel. And then you start monitoring the results. After a week, you would see that there are certain mobile phones that are being picked up by the visitors and there are certain mobile phones that are not even getting looked at. What would be your logical next step? You would pick those mobile phones that are being purchased by the visitors and give them more attractive spots on the display panel. And you would pick up those mobile phones that are not even being looked at and you would replace them with another set of mobile phones and see if some of them are going to be checked out. And this is not a one-time process. You will keep repeating the process over and over again till every spot on the display panel is being occupied by mobile phones that have the best chance of being sold. Isn't that true? Now, YouTube is like the mobile shop owner. Like the way the shop owner wants to maximize profits, YouTube wants to maximize watch time. Instead of mobile phones, YouTube has your videos to display. And YouTube has 3 display panels. One is the home page where certain videos are displayed. Second is the videos that are displayed on the search results for a query. And the third display is the suggested videos column. Now, like the way the shop owner wants to ensure that every spot in the display panel is being occupied by mobile phones that have the maximum chances of getting sold, YouTube wants to ensure that every spot in the 3 display panels is being occupied by videos that have the maximum chances of getting clicked through and watched. So the one big factor that determines the success of your YouTube channel is click-through rate. In fact, click-through rate is such an important metric for YouTube that in the new beta version of the analytics page, you can see a funnel that displays the click-through rate of all the videos of your channel in the last 28 days. You can even find the click-through rate of individual videos so you can maximize your CTR for the success of your YouTube channel. Now, let us take this one step forward. What are the factors that determine the click-through rate of your videos? There are 3 factors. One is the attractiveness of your thumbnail. Second is how enticing is your headline. And 3, how clear is your description, especially the first 160 characters of your description. And all 3 factors are on display only in one of the 3 window spaces. That is, in the results page for a search query, you can see thumbnail, headline and the 160 characters of your description. In the other 2 display panels, which is in the suggested column and in the home page of YouTube, you will have no chance for description to show. Therefore, the 2 factors that are very important are your thumbnail, the attractiveness of your thumbnail and how enticing is your headline. In this, there is one factor that is more important than the other one, and that is the attractiveness of your thumbnail. Think about this. In the suggested column, more often than not, your headline will be truncated. Your audience don't get to decide on whether your videos need to be watched or not based on your headline, because headline is not even going to be seen in full on most occasions. The only factor that pretty much seals the deal, whether your visitors are going to click through and watch your videos or not, is the attractiveness of your thumbnail. If your videos are click through, then there is a chance of your audience engaging with your content. There is a higher chance of them watching other videos of your channel. Then there is a chance of them subscribing to your channel, subscribing to your list, and eventually buying from you. Everything is dependent on this one factor: how attractive is your thumbnail? So here is the action point. Take a look at the thumbnails of every one of your videos in your channel. Go to the analytics page and check out the click-through rate of every individual video. If there is any video that has a click-through rate of less than 4% or 5%, then you have a chance to improve the click-through rate by making changes to the attractiveness of your thumbnail. Try experimenting with different thumbnail designs till the time you are able to push the click-through rate above the 5% benchmark. Once you are able to push the click-through rate of all your videos above 5%, then try and set the benchmark a bit higher and keep working on the attractiveness of your thumbnail till the time you are able to give every one of your videos the maximum chance of getting clicked through and watched. So if there is one factor that you can work on right now to maximize the chances of success of your YouTube channel, it is working on the attractiveness of your thumbnail. So go ahead, do everything you can to make your thumbnails as attractive as possible. Now I have a question for you. What are some of the things that you do to improve the attractiveness of your thumbnails? Please share your ideas in the comment section below, so those comments can serve as an inspiration for those who watch this video. Did you like this video? If you did, please share it with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this that help you market your digital products and courses with videos, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you can be notified about any of the new videos that we release on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.